Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, and this is my recent DIY what I did with a cardboard box, or you can I call it like a treasure chest slash coffee table. So yeah, this is my computer packaging and it's pretty huge, so I decided to build something with it. So I got the idea about treasure chest or a coffee table, so I just folded in a certain way to look like a chest. So and then as you can see, I am glue gunning this thing so it will look like a box. So it's a box like you can open and flip it open. I'm not a professional, so I don't have any measurements for that thing, but I just use my brain. So yeah, there's the flyers. Me and my baby girl was ripping it and destroying it and then try to paste it on the box, and it will take like 24 hours to completely dry. So yes, here's it dried out completely, and this is my husband's bed, and this is my old sponge. I was going for like a very messy, dusty old. It doesn't make any sense to you, and I use these beautiful 3 gold colors in the different shades, and this is the copper brown color, the gold, and the other one is whitish gold, I guess. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, it turned out pretty good, and this is my baby girl doing her own thing, and excited because it's a big project with mommy first time. And yes, as you can see, I'm just tapping, so it will turn out pretty uneven not even uneven. So yeah, I was happy with that. So yes, then I quickly realized that it's not making that like texture what I want, so I just put this all glue gun thing on the top, just glue all over the box. And yes, we are in quarantine. I'm inside my house doing all the paint stuff and smelly things in the house. So yeah, whatever. Then I do the same thing, and I put this beautiful greenish gold color on the top of the glue, and the same thing, tap. I'm not trying to hide the paper inside it, trust me, it looks really good with that. So this is the bell my baby painted it for me, and this turned out really good. Alright, she was really excited, and yeah, see, and she's waving hi. Mashallah, she's so cute, and she was so excited. Here we are putting the bell. I already glued the bell on the top, and yes, I want more texture, more thing on the top, so I put this gold duct tape, and then I painted over with that gold brownish gold color. And then I want a little sparkle, so I go for this thumb pins on the top. Yes. So I quickly realized it's sharp pointed on the other side, so I just put the glue gun dots on the top of the pointed side. So yeah, it turned out pretty good, and I made that thing on the bottom, so it will give a little height on the top. It's just a shoebox, nothing special, and I just painted the same brown color. So yeah, I hope you guys like it.